What's good, y'all? What's good? So, we gotta cook a meal, 5-star meal. We gotta make some pork chop, rice, and corn. I was gonna make some rice and peas, but I forgot to get peas. So I'm gonna be doing this with minimal ingredients. There's some stuff we was in a rush at Walmart. So some stuff I forgot to grab. And yeah, but what I have will do. It'll do the job. First, I gotta wash my hands and wash some of the dishes. And then we're finna get started. I thought it was recording. Turns out it was not recording. Fix it up. Wash my hands real nice. We're finna get started. I have another. No, should I wash the other bowl? Well, it's not dirty. I might just wash it again. So these some of the seasonings I got. Lemon pepper, sazon. We're gonna do what it do, man. We're gonna do what it do. First, I gotta open these windows so, you know, some of that air could get out, the grease and all that vapor can escape. This one. I gotta open that one out of the way. Up, put them in this bowl so I can clean it up with some lime. I have no vinegar, I'll use some vinegar, but open this up, put in here, clean up some lime. Wish I had vinegar though. Ooh, yeah. I'm like cleaning the meat. Seasoning it up a little bit. What should I use? I ain't got that much seasoning. But I'm gonna put some sazon in there. Sazon be hitting. This one right here. Oh yeah, I'll make some holes and stuff so that seasoning could go in. So it can go inside. Make some holes. I think I'll make the rice first so this can marinate. You know what I'm saying? Alright. That's how I'm going there. The whole package. Hopefully the size won't good. Like this. That whole thing on there. One should be good for now. What do you think? It ain't seasoning? It ain't seasoning. I'm not supposed to be on something. Chicken, just a little bit. Just a little bit. It's snacky. Alright. I'm trying to know. We do that thing. Put some more of that thing on there. Yep. Seasoning. What's that? Just sneezing. I gotta put some more stuff on it. You ain't sneezing. You ain't seasoning, you feel me? There's this thing called Ippy's where I'm from. Where there's a mixture of a whole bunch of herbs and stuff. You blend it off and then mix bring something home. We don't have no. Let this thing. Let's take some seasoning. I already got really just. I only got salt for rice. I'm gonna use some of that maggi. What's it looking like so far? I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna put a little bit more black pepper on there. Here you go. Leave it like this for now. Squeeze some of that lime on there. And yeah, let that thing sit there. Put the rice on for now. Put some oil on here, not too much. A little bit. Let it get hot. Put some seasoning on it. Cause I ain't got no nothing to put in it. You got to buy some stuff. Put some seasoning in there. Stir it up. I know, everyone knows it. I know it's glad. Sorry. Some more. Try to go now. I might some corn on here too. Go. I have to put on the ground because you about to start moving. Like this. You know what I'm saying? Tough the process, y'all. Let it cook up now. Add some water and add the rice. Put some seasoning on there too. Sure. Put some water in there. Let it boil. And add the rice. Top of the oil, see. Before it boil. So I'll be using jasmine rice. Oh, it's the refillable. Let's go, sir. That's what I'm gonna be making. I put some more seasoning in it. But it's starting to smell good. It's boiling. Ooh. Yes, sir. Add the rice in. We usually rinse the rice, but OTR with it. This should be good. Stick each other. Put it right now. I added a little bit more. Ooh, this is gonna be a lot. I might add a little bit more water. Add a little bit more water. Put the temperature down so it could. It was fine. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in here. And then we're gonna stir it up and let that thing simmer. Put this on here so it could be trapped. Got some corn. We'll be corn in the cob one of these days. Yeah. Make the meat. Some oil on there. Let that thing do its thing, then we're gonna flip it. It smells good. Shut up. Yo. Yo. Everywhere.
Honey, let me talk to you. I got juice, I got sauce, it's a barbecue.
Add some of this in there. Put some water in there. Finished product, y'all. Got my pot back in there. Good. This is it, guys. See you on the next episode. Like, comment, subscribe. That's it, man. Hopefully, hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna eat that thing and go to sleep. Yeah, it's a little challenging. Cooking in the truck, the movement and stuff, but that's why I had to put the pot on the ground, so to minimize the moving and stuff. But hey, you did it, man. Quick little meal. Yeah, tear this thing up. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Road to 100 subscribers. God bless y'all. Thank you guys for the support. And I'm gonna see you on the next one.
The next day.
It's day 2 of eating it. It's so good. I like my food with a lot of sauce. So yeah, bussin'.